If your thermostat keeps losing connection to the network, it can seriously mess with your comfort and energy bills. So, first off, try resetting the network settings on your thermostat. Sometimes it just needs a fresh start. Make sure your Wi-Fi password is correct and hasn't changed recently, because that's a common reason for disconnections. If your router is too far from the thermostat, or there are thick walls in between, try moving the router closer or add a Wi-Fi extender to boost the signal. Check if your thermostat's firmware is up to date. Manufacturers often release updates that fix bugs and improve connectivity. Also, avoid placing the thermostat near devices that can interfere with Wi-Fi signals like microwaves or cordless phones. If your network is crowded with tons of devices, it might slow down or kick off some connections, so consider limiting what's connected or upgrading your internet plan. Sometimes restarting your router can clear up glitches causing the problem. Lastly, make sure the thermostat supports your Wi-Fi frequency. Some only work on 2.4 GHz networks, not 5 GHz. One of the biggest mistakes people make with thermostat network issues is ignoring weak Wi-Fi signals. Fixing this means optimizing router placement or adding extenders. Another common problem is using outdated firmware, which can cause random disconnects. Keeping the thermostat updated solves this easily. Lastly, entering the wrong Wi-Fi password or not checking for changes can block the thermostat from connecting at all, so double-check those details before troubleshooting anything else. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid place where homeowners can find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff, saving tons of time and stress. Plus, it helps contractors get real work by connecting them with people who need their skills right nearby.